How to install the 1012 solenoid pump. The connection sequence is as follows. The control box is connected to the motor speed adjustment. The motor speed adjustment is connected to the relay and the 1012 solenoid pump. The relay is connected to both the 1012 seconds solenoid pump and the autopilot. Now, let's take a closer look at the detailed wiring connections. First, speed controller to motor connection. Open the cover of the speed regulator box. Connect the motor cables as follows. The motor's thick black, red, and yellow wires should be connected to the speed regulators, yellow, blue, and green wires, respectively. Next, connect the power cables. The red and black power wires of the speed regulator should be connected to the corresponding terminals. One side connects to the control box. The other side connects to the battery via a relay. Relay wiring. Load side connections. Connect the positive plus terminal of the relay load side to the positive plus terminal of the battery. Connect the negative terminal of the relay load side to the speed regulator box. Then internally connected to the controller's red power wire. Connect the relay control terminals, positive plus and negative, to pin 3 and pin 4 of the motor control port on the CA-P866, respectively. After completing the installation, we begin learning how to use the 1012 solenoid pump. First, turn the speed regulator knob fully clockwise. To set the minimum speed 0 revolution per minute, turn on the power. The system is powered by a 12 volts DC power supply. Then power on the CA-P866 autopilot. And press the auto button. At this stage, the CA-P866 unit consumes about 0.2 A. Slowly adjust the speed regulator knob to increase the motor speed. Maximum speed current, about 5.47 A. Medium speed current, about 3.82 A. Rotate the control knob on the CA-P866 autopilot to perform left and right. As you can see, the transmission shaft moves as the control knob is rotated. If the steering wheel cannot be driven, check the flow direction in the transparent oil pipe of the 1012's electromagnetic pump. The flow should be directed toward the motor. If the oil flows outward, it indicates the motor is running in reverse. In this case, short the reverse switch wire to correct the motor rotation direction. This concludes the demonstration of the 1012's electromagnetic pump installation and operation. Thank you for your watching.